All right, let's look at that homework 2.4, problem number 3. All right, so we want to basically prove this limit here using the definition. And looks like we want to find the corresponding delta value for a given epsilon value here. All right, so let's do epsilon 0.6 first. Then we can just change the number to answer the next question. All right, so function is going to be e to the 2x minus 1 all over x. And the limit value is 2, and a value is 0, and so on. So and epsilon is 0.6. All right, so I'm going to open up GeoGebra here. All right, so function is just define function f of x equal to, all right, e to the, so you can do, I think you can do exp of x, would that work? Yeah, so, or I think you can just do e to the x. Let's do that, that's easier. All right, e to the x, actually, e to the 2x, and then you have a minus 1, then highlight this whole thing, then divide it by x, right? So you have this function here. All right, and let's see, so we have that, and then L value is 2, so I'm just going to define L is 2, so that's the limit value, hit enter. And then epsilon value, A value is 0, so that's fixed too, so I'm just going to hit enter. And then epsilon value, so I'm going to just epsilon value is equal to 0.6, then hit enter. All right. Then you can see, so I'm going to do first, limit value is 2. So I'm going to draw y equals 2, right? And then you can do y equals 2. Actually, I shouldn't have used just 2. I'm just going to use L because we already defined L, right? So it's going to be L minus epsilon, right? So that's the bottom end. And then y equals L plus epsilon. So that's the top end, right? So we have that. And I'm going to just stretch this out so that you can see this guy a little bit more easily. So move it over here, actually, move it right in the middle. And then maybe stretch this way and then stretch that way. All right, so you can see it a little bit better. All right, so you can see these 2 points. So we want to be between these guys. So I'm going to use the intersection tool. All right, so go here and intersect. All right, so find this intersection here, click on that, right? And then find the other intersection, click on that. Oh, actually, I missed it. Maybe I'll get it right on. All right, so you got that. All right, and then again, let's see, what's the precision they want? They want 3 decimal places again, right? So I'm gonna have to change it. Go here, setting, and then change it to 3 decimal places, right? So close it. Right, so you have numbers in 3 decimal places. So we just need to find the gap between, the x coordinate of A and A value, which is 0. So actually, we don't have to do any subtraction. All right, so it looks like gap is going to be 0.252 or 0.831. So we need, so gap here is a little bit bigger than the gap here. And then you have to pick the smaller value, which is 0.252. So what you're going to do is you can go back here and then type in 0.252, right? And good thing about this is that if you want to change the epsilon value, what you can do is just to go to the epsilon value, right? And then edit it to the new value. So it was a 0.1. Was it 0.1? All right, 0.1. And then if you hit enter, and everything else is going to be recalculated. And looks like 0.048 is going to be the next answer. So I'm going to type in 0.048 would be the answer. All right, let's check the answer. All right, I came back and looks like we got both of these correctly. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.